Install Windows Server 2008 R2. Step 1. Insert the installation media for Windows Server 2008 R2. After the installer runs, the Install Windows screen appears. Step 2. Enter the language and other preferences. Click Next. Step 3. Click Install Now. The setup begins. The installer prompts to select an operation system. Step 4. Select Windows Server 2008 R2 Enterprise Full Installation and click Next. The installer prompts to read the license terms. Step 5. Read the license terms. If you agree to the license terms, select I accept the license terms and click Next. Step 6. The installer asks you which type of installation. For a new installation, click Custom Advanced. Step 7. The installer asks for desk location information. Make your selection and click Next. Step 8. The installation begins. Step 9. The installer prompts to change the password. Click OK. Step 10. Enter a new password. Re-enter the password to confirm it, and click the right arrow. Step 11. After you click OK on the confirmation screen, the operating system prepares your desktop. That's all.